Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if file history does not recognize this drive with the error message that you're experiencing on your Windows computer and saying the file history does not recognize this drive. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito lang sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung file history. Ayan, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And madirect tayo dito sa file history settings. So makikita mo dito yung keep a history of your files, and then dito yung file history is off. So ang kailangan mo lang natin gawin ito is kailangan lang i-turn on. Okay, so makikita mo dito sa right side yung turn on. So i-click mo lang yan. Alright, so in other solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung services and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services and services local, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung file history. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down, alright? So makikita mo dito yung file history service. So i-click mo lang yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong file history service properties. So dito lang sa general and then dito lang sa startup type. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then dito sa kanyang service status ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung start and then wait natin. Okay, so after dito and then click mo lang yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And next step, so close lang natin tong services at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix file history doesn't recognize this drive error. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.